Meaning of heat.
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 Heat. Heat refers to the transfer of energy from one object or substance to another due to a difference in temperature. This transfer of energy typically causes an increase in the temperature of the recipient object or substance. Heat can be generated through various methods such as combustion, friction, or radiation. It is an important concept in many fields including physics, chemistry, and engineering. Understanding heat transfer is crucial for designing efficient heating and cooling systems, and it also plays a significant role in climate science. In short, heat is a form of energy that is essential to many natural and man-made processes.